What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make some slime. But before we get started, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. So let's get started. But first, I already put the water in, so now I'm going to put in my glue. Now good. Squeeze. Very good. So you have to put all the glue in. Oh, there's a bubble. Open. It's very hard to squid it out. You just have to do very hard. And now I'm going to squid it out again. Get some right there. Get all of it out, like I just said. So now I'm going to mix my glue and my water together very, very carefully. Very, very well. Keep mixing until it stops. So mix, 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 mix. Okay. I think it dissolved now, so now I'm going to go to the next ingredient. Guys, now I'm done mixing, so now I'm going to put my glue in. But you can do whatever you want. You can do paints, food coloring, and you can do glitter. So, and guys, my glitter is yellow, pink, and blue. So first I'm going to start with my blue because it's already open. So I'm going to pour all of it in there. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. Very pretty. Now I'm going to put my pink in. Because it might be cotton candy. Ooh, that's a good pink too. Now let's see what the yellow looks like. Wait. Wow. It's kind of like a gold color. Come on. Get out. So now I'm going to mix. Cool, that's so pretty. Well, you can't see the yellow good, but you can see the pink very good and the blue. That's so pretty. That is so pretty, you guys. Just look at that. It's like a rainbow color. Oh my gosh. Guys, you have to make some slime because it's the biggest slime. Very gorgeous and pretty. So now I'm done mixing. Now I'm going to pour in my liquid starch. And my mom already measured it, so I'm just going to pour it in and then mix it. Now I'm going to mix it all together. Wow. I can't wait to see it in the end because it's going to be very sticky. So now I'm going to mix. It's trying to turn into slime. It's like trying. Wow. It's very slimy. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that cool? Guys, you have to make slime because it's just so cool. It's so cool. I can't wait. OMG. Wow. Look at that. I can't wait to play with this slime, guys. Fight it. It's very good. The liquid starch helps. I'm gonna keep mixing until it's done. After I'm gonna show you the slime reveal. Just keep mixing, and I'll tell you when it's ready. Just a little bit. Kneading until it gets stickier. It's not that sticky. I just have to keep mixing until it's like sticky. Add a little bit. My mom add a little bit of this. So I just do it again. It's like a blob. It's gonna add very good. I hope it. Now I'm going to knead it into the bowl. So I'm going to knead it with my hands. It's working. So guys, I'm gonna do a slime reveal. So now I'm gonna just slime reveal. Guys, it's slime! Look at that! Isn't that so cool? You have to do this, you guys. It's very slimy and squishy. So slimy. Now I'm just gonna leave it. It's you can see the glitter still. It's just so slimy, very slimy. I can hear that sound. It's so funny and it's so soft. Just keep kneading. Hey guys for watching, subscribe. Bye, love you. See you next time in my next video. Bye.